friends, welcome to Vedyug. I am your science mentor and today we are going to see one of the interesting chapter. Dear friends, जब मैं बोलता हूँ it is one of the interesting chapter and I mean it because today we are going to see the chapter which is known as periodic classification of elements. आपने dear friends आजू बाजू ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट, पर्टिकुलर चीज़ें ये आजू बाजू हमें उस स्टेट में मिलती हैं. जैसे गोल्ड से गोल्ड रिंग हो गया, सिल्वर रिंग हो गया, तो ये एलिमेंट्स हैं. बट ये आते कहाँ से हैं, उनका क्लासिफिकेशन कैसे होता है, तो आज इन सवालों के जवाब इस पार्ट में और इस चैप्टर में आपको मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बट डियर फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स टेक अ रिकैप बाय सॉल्विंग सम कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन बिकॉज विंस्टन चर्चिल यूज्ड टू से द लॉन्गर यू लुक बैक द फार्दर यू कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड. विच मीन्स जितना आप पीछे देखोगे उतना आपका बेसिक अच्छा रहेगा, सो दैट आप जो भी उसके ऊपर बिल्डिंग बनाओगे वो मजबूत बनेंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. मुझे पता है आप उसका आंसर ज़रूर दे दोगे, बट स्टिल हम दोनों कोऑपरेट करके उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ढूंढते हैं. सो माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर? आई नो दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू एंड द आंसर इज the three types of matters are solid, liquid and gases. So let us move to our next question, which is what are types of elements? So the types of elements are metals, non-metals and metalloids. So let us move to our next question, which is what are the smallest particles of matter called? So the smallest particles of matter called as atoms, which we have learned in our previous classes. So dear friends, in this video and in this part of the video, we are going to cover certain topics which includes classification of elements, then we will see Dobereiner's triad, and later we will move to Newland's law of octaves. So let's get started. So first thing first, we will see about classification of elements. So the elements are classified on the basis of their similarities in their properties. So Dobereiner grouped the elements into triads and Newlands gave the law of octaves. First, dear friends, let us see and learn about Dobereiner's law of triad. So John Dobereiner, who was a German chemist and physicist, gave the law which says that Dobereiner's triad is a relationship between the properties of elements and their atomic weights. For example, Dobereiner's lighter is the most modern day strike lighter that uses a flint stone to create a spark and ignite a flame. Now, dear friends, let us learn about Newland's law of octave. So the law which was given by John Newland, later was known as Newland's law of octave, who was an English chemist. So John Newland proposed the law of octaves, which states that every eighth element has similar properties similar to the eighth note in an octave in a music. So if we change it according to the elements, then we can say that the law of octave states that every eighth element has similar properties when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. For example, elements like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, which are arranged in order of their increasing atomic weight and have similar chemical properties. So dear friends, here we have completed a part of this video where we learnt about classification of elements and how Dobereiner gave his law and how Newland gave his law, in which we learnt about classification of elements in the particular manner under the influence of certain scientists. So dear friends, let us meet in the next video. Till then, happy learning.